Hi, I'm Ms. Schroeder, and I'm the librarian at Bellevue West High School. I want to share this video with you so you know how to access Sora, our ebook library. So this flyer is something that your librarian should have, and your librarian will give you instructions to take home with you over the summer so you know how to access Sora anytime. What I'm going to do is walk you through the steps here so you know how to do it, and then you can practice on your own at home. So to access Sora, there are a couple of things you can do. You can scan this QR code here, you can visit this website, or you can download Sora from Google Play or the App Store. Since I'm on my computer, I'm just going to use this website here, and I actually already have it pulled up. So this is what it'll look like when you go to that website or QR coder. When you sign in, you'll click Bellevue Public Schools, and then you might have to choose your elementary school or middle or high school. Your username here is your first name dot last name, and then your password is your student ID number. Now that you've signed in, there are a variety of things you can do here. You can, and you'll notice I've already been signed in, so my page might actually look a little bit different than yours. What I would recommend is for you just to take some time to explore, and this is where you'll notice your library basically. And from here you can check out a book if you see one that's interesting to you. So Carl Hiaasen is one of my favorite authors, so if I wanted to check out this book, I click on it. What's nice is here I can read a little blurb about this book, and if I decide that this is a book I want to borrow, then I just click on this book over here and borrow it. You can also read a sample. If you want to read it sometime but not right now, you can add it to a list. That way you remember to read it later. And you'll notice down here there also are other titles like Hoot if you decide to continue browsing books like that. So when you borrow it, you click on this button, and now this book is checked out to me. And in order to read it on my computer, I basically just click and drag. If you're on an iPad or your phone, then I'm guessing you'll use your finger and just drag it like that, but that's how you do that. So you'll notice when you go back to your home page, actually, if you look at your shelf, you'll notice that this is a book you have checked out, and it shows you that it's due in 14 days. When it's due, it'll actually just check itself in, so if you weren't finished with it in 14 days, you would have to go in and recheck it out. What's nice is that wherever you leave off, when you open it up again, it'll go right back to that last page. You'll notice up here you have books that you've put on hold. If you decide to make a list, you'll see that here. And then you've also got your activity, so you will notice there are some accomplishments that you can earn as you're looking through this, as you do different things. Once you borrow a book, then you'll have an accomplishment. Once you spend a certain amount of time reading, you'll have an accomplishment, and you'll notice all of that stuff here. When you're done reading and you want to check it in, then you just open it up here and you click on this return button. So again, I'm in my bookshelf, and then I open up the book, click on return, and now the book isn't checked out to me anymore. If you have any questions about using Sora, then feel free to ask your librarian. I would recommend trying it out before school's out. That way if you have any problems, you can let your librarian know. That way you're not stuck over the summer not being able to read. Enjoy it. Thanks. Bye.